Hello fellow adventurers! In this video, we continue our cruise excursion mini-series with an epic journey to Alaska. If you're planning an Alaska cruise, these top 10 favorite shore excursions will make your trip unforgettable. From glaciers to wildlife, culture to adrenaline, Alaska has it all. So let's bundle up and check out these incredible Alaskan experiences. Our first adventure takes us to the world of dog sledding. Feel the thrill as you glide over icy terrain, guided by a team of energetic and well-trained sled dogs. It's also a unique opportunity to interact with the dogs and their mushers and listen to fascinating stories about Alaska's history of dog sledding. Learn about the different breeds commonly used in mushing and the fascinating bond with their incredible dogs. Next, we embark on an awe-inspiring whale watching adventure. Witness humpback whales breaching and frolicking in their natural habitat. Join a guided whale watching tour led by knowledgeable naturalists and captains who are experienced in finding and identifying whales. Take advantage of their expertise about the whales, their behaviors, migration patterns, and conservation efforts. Although Alaska is known for its humpback whales, look for orcas, or killer whales. They're another iconic species commonly spotted in Alaska's waters. At number 3, Alaska's history is diverse and rich, spanning native cultures, the gold rush era, Russian colonization, and more. Exploring this history during your cruise excursion not only deepens your understanding of the state, but also provides a memorable and educational experience. Many Alaskan cities and towns have historical museums that showcase the history and culture of the region. These tours often take you through historic districts, sharing stories of the gold rush era, indigenous cultures, and early explorers. Take a guided tour of historic gold mines to learn about the harsh conditions and challenges faced by miners during the gold rush. Consider taking a historic train journey such as the White Pass and Yukon Route Railroad in Skagway. These railways played a crucial role during the gold rush, and the scenic routes offer glimpses into Alaska's past. At number 4, many Alaskan cities and towns have their own craft breweries. While in port, take a brewery tour to learn about the brewing process and taste some unique, locally crafted beers. Some tours take you to multiple breweries or pubs, allowing you to sample a variety of local beers and learn about their history. If your cruise coincides with an Alaskan beer festival, don't miss the opportunity to attend. These events often feature a wide range of beers from local and regional breweries, along with live music and entertainment. Since Alaska is known for its seafood, including salmon, king crab, and more, look for excursions that combine beer and seafood pairings. If you're a true beer enthusiast, check if there are excursions that offer behind-the-scenes brewery tours where you can learn about the beer making process and even try your hand at brewing. At number 5, exploring Alaska's pristine waters through kayaking, canoeing, or rafting during a cruise excursion offers a unique perspective on the breathtaking landscapes and abundant wildlife. Join guided excursions led by experienced guides who will take you on a paddling adventure through calm coastal waters, fjords, or serene lakes. Paddle quietly through the waterways to observe wildlife such as eagles, seals, otters, or even bears along the shoreline. Kayaking and canoeing allow you to get closer to wildlife without disturbing them. Consider a tour that takes you to glacial areas where you can paddle among icebergs and witness the mesmerizing blue hues of glaciers up close. Experience the thrill of whitewater rafting on some of Alaska's rivers, or opt for a scenic float trip on a calm river where you can sit back and relax while taking in the stunning Alaskan scenery. Number 6 takes us to the skies on a float plane or helicopter adventure. Witness Alaska's beauty from above. Soar over glaciers, fjords, and remote wilderness areas, accessing places you can't reach by land. It's a thrilling way to see Alaska's rugged landscapes that few other experiences can offer. Start with a float plane or helicopter flight scene tour that provides stunning aerial views of Alaska's diverse landscapes. Experience the thrill of landing on a remote glacier. Some tours offer the opportunity to land in alpine regions where you can go on a guided hike, walk on the glacier's surface, and marvel at the ice formations and pristine wilderness. Exploring the world of salmon during an Alaska cruise excursion can be a delicious and educational experience. At number 7, Alaska's salmon are not only a culinary delight, but also an integral part of its ecosystem and culture. Try your hand at salmon fishing on a guided salmon fishing excursion. Whether you're an experienced angler or a beginner, catching salmon in Alaska's pristine waters is an exciting adventure. Enjoy a traditional Alaskan salmon bake. Savor freshly grilled salmon cooked over an open flame, accompanied by a spread of local dishes. At number 8, immerse yourself in the world of totemic art and culture during your Alaska cruise excursion. Totem poles are not just stunning works of art, but also a window into the rich history and traditions of Alaska's indigenous communities. Alaska is home to several totem parks and heritage centers where you can admire a stunning collection of totem poles. For number 9, get ready for some high-energy entertainment at the Lumberjack Show. Watch skilled lumberjacks demonstrate their incredible skills in axe throwing, log rolling, and more. Cheer for your favorite lumberjack and learn about this iconic Alaskan tradition. It's a fun and action-packed experience the whole family will enjoy. Wrapping up our list at number 10, hop on a Zodiac for a wildlife safari that will take you up close to glaciers, wildlife, and stunning Alaskan landscapes. Whether it's grizzly bears, moose, or caribou, Alaska's wilderness is teeming with extraordinary creatures. Your expert guide will take you to prime wildlife viewing areas in these small inflatable boats that allow you to get up close to marine life, including whales, sea lions, and otters. Alaska's natural beauty, rich history, and abundant wildlife make it a dream destination for many travelers. If you are inspired by these top 10 Alaska cruise excursions, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more epic adventures like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.